This linear equation is not in the standard form. This is the same equation as the previous video where we only focus on determining its integrating factor. Because in solving for this given equation, we need to use that idea in order for us to come up with the result. If we are going to transform this into its standard form, I'm just going to reshare that process to emphasize the said process. We would like to come up with an expression in this form: dy over dx plus p of xy is equal to f of x. But since we have here x squared, we are going to multiply both sides by, or all sides, or yes, both sides by 1 over x squared. So its standard form is dy over dx. You will have plus 1 over xy, because that's x here divided by that, is equal to 1 over x squared. This is why in the previous video, p of x, which is this one here, is equal to 1 over x, and your f of x is 1 over x squared. And in that same video, we were able to identify the integrating factor being equal to x. I will not show you the process of solving this because this is already captured by the previous video. Please try to view that one. This will be used together with this as we solve for this linear equation. We'll have this form: mu x of y, or mu of x and then times y, is equal to the integral of the integrating factor times f of x, then you have here dx. Okay, so simply substitute the values for your integrating factor x, and then you have here y is equal to the integral of x times 1 over x squared. This is your f of x dx. So you have xy is equal to the integral of 1 over x dx. Okay, so with this now in our mind, we can now integrate this. Of course, we have an equivalent value for that, so your left hand side is still xy is equal to, that's actually equal to the natural logarithm of x plus c, or you can write it in this manner: the natural logarithm of x plus c. But since we're trying to solve for the given equation, our end goal is to come up with an equation y equal to something. So we simply need to divide both sides by x, or 1, or multiply 1 over x to cancel this. So you will have y is equal to, the natural logarithm of x all over x plus c over x. Okay, so you can have this as your final form, or if you don't like expressions with or rational expressions, you could also bring all the terms up. So you will have x to the power of -1 times natural logarithm of x plus c times x to the power of -1. This is also correct, but since it has negative exponents, some will just settle with this, and that's already okay. These two are our solution for our given linear equation, where we're able to use the integrating factor presented on the separate video. That's the previous video from this. But I'm just inserting again the process of coming up with a standard form so that we'll be able to master the said skill. Thank you very much for watching.